Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best PC accessories is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any computer setup. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who enjoys browsing the web, the right accessories can significantly enhance your experience. From high-performance peripherals to ergonomic designs, we'll explore some of the top picks to elevate your computing experience and make your digital life more enjoyable and efficient. Number 5. LISEN Phone Stand, Ergonomic, Adjustable, Stable. This phone stand is designed to help you maintain good posture and reduce neck strain. It offers adjustable height and angle, making it perfect for video recording and comfortable viewing. With this stand, you can enjoy a perfect viewing experience without blocking subtitles. It's ideal for office use, video calls, and gaming, reducing neck and back strain. This stylish phone holder features a built-in charging hole and smart cable management. It keeps your phone secure and your workspace tidy, eliminating tangled cables and preventing tip-overs. The stand's back and bottom are covered with anti-skid silicone. This design provides maximum protection for your device, preventing scratches and slides. If you have any issues, LISEN offers a hassle-free solution within 365 days. We are here to help you with any questions or assembly issues you may have. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This stand's adjustable design is perfect if you spend long hours at your desk. It helps reduce neck strain and improves posture, making it ideal for anyone who values comfort during work or gaming. If you are looking for a stylish and stable solution for your phone, this is the one. The anti-slip design ensures your device stays secure, no matter the activity. What people say. This is a great sturdy phone stand with a weighted base, very easy to assemble and a great base. It's pretty strong and it was very easy to assemble. A one quality TBH, I recommend it to my friends. It's not flimsy. Very firm and easily adjustable. Easy to assemble, and sturdy base that stays stable. It can easily go on my desk to keep my phone at my fingertips. It looks expensive, but it is not. I chose the black. I use it everywhere for any video I want. I highly recommend. Number 4. DbillionDa Cat 8 Ethernet Cable 6 feet. This heavy-duty cable is built to last. It's double shielded to reduce interference and is waterproof, anti-corrosion, and flexible. You can even bury it directly. The thicker 26 AWG cable provides faster and more stable data transfer. It's perfect for smart home devices and cloud data servers, ensuring high-speed network performance. This Cat 8 Ethernet cable uses shielded foiled twisted pairs for optimal performance. It supports up to 2000 MHz bandwidth and 40 gigabits per second speeds, perfect for streaming and gaming. It features shielded RJ45 connectors and is compatible with a wide range of devices. This includes networking switches, gaming consoles, and smart TVs. It also works with older standards. Designed for outdoor use, the cable has a UV-resistant PVC jacket. It can withstand various weather conditions, ensuring durability and longevity. It also comes with great customer support. What we like. This Ethernet cable is built to last, with its heavy-duty construction and weatherproof design. If you need a reliable connection for outdoor use or in harsh conditions, this cable is your best bet. It offers high-speed data transfer, making it perfect for streaming, gaming, and general internet use. If you are looking for a fast and durable network solution, consider this one. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as expected. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. It has all the necessary features and works perfectly. Number 3. Redragon S101-3 Pro Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This is the Redragon S101-3 Pro, a complete gaming combo. It includes a keyboard and a mouse, perfect for any gamer. It's an all-in-one solution for your gaming needs. The keyboard features vibrant RGB backlighting with multiple modes and effects. The mouse has a single red backlight. Together, they create an immersive gaming experience. Easily customize the keyboard's RGB lighting with various modes. You can choose from different colors and effects to match your style. It offers a range of options for personalization. The keyboard includes multimedia keys and anti-ghosting technology. It ensures all your key presses register accurately. It also has a full numeric keypad for convenience. The mouse is programmable with adjustable DPI up to 3200. It has 6 buttons, with 5 being programmable. The high-precision sensor provides pinpoint accuracy. This combo is compatible with Windows and limited Mac OS. It works with all major computer brands and gaming PCs. It's a versatile choice for any setup. What we like. This combo offers a vibrant RGB keyboard and a programmable mouse, enhancing your gaming experience. If you enjoy customizing your setup with different lighting modes, you'll love the variety of options. The anti-ghosting feature ensures every keystroke is registered, giving you a competitive edge. If you are a gamer looking for an affordable yet feature-rich combo, this is the one. What people say. It is a full-size keyboard. The mouse is full-size as well. The buttons on both the mouse and KB are great. The illumination is bright enough to see in the daytime. They have some really cool features that are programmable and a decent cycle of color exchanges. The mouse and keyboard have preset functionality, and the mouse has selective DPI presets that are pretty good. The keyboard is weighty, and the keys perfectly balanced for a nice tactile feedback. The mouse also is well designed, and has perfect response pressure. The mouse connected to the receiver instantly. I'm using the 2.4 GHz wireless connection for both keyboard and mouse. Distance from my table with mouse and keyboard to the computer with dongle receiver is about 10 feet. Number 2. HyperX QuadCast USB Gaming Microphone. This microphone features stunning red lighting with dynamic effects. It adds a customizable style to your setup, making it visually appealing. The built-in shock mount isolates the microphone. It suppresses the sounds of any accidental bumps or rumbles, ensuring a clear audio recording. Easily mute the microphone with a simple tap. The LED indicator lets you know its status. If the light is on, it's active, and if it's off, it's muted. Choose from 4 polar patterns to optimize your recording. This allows you to focus on the sounds you want to capture, whether it's stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, or bidirectional. Adjust the microphone sensitivity with ease. Simply use the dial at the bottom of the device to get the perfect sound level. It fits most mic stands and boom arms. The internal pop filter blocks plosive sounds, and you can monitor the audio via the headphone jack. Get great sound whether you're on PC, PS5, PS4, or Mac. It's certified by Discord and TeamSpeak, and works on major streaming platforms. What we like. This microphone is designed for high-quality audio recording with its versatile features. If you're a streamer, podcaster, or content creator, you'll appreciate the multiple polar patterns for different recording scenarios. The built-in shock mount and gain control ensure clear and professional-sounding recordings. If you want a microphone that delivers excellent sound quality and flexibility, this is a great choice. What people say. The stand it comes with is fine by itself, and if you have the room on your desk is definitely a good option for holding the QuadCast. However, it can be mounted onto most microphone arms if you need to do so. Sound quality is a standout feature of the HyperX QuadCast. It utilizes a condenser microphone with a frequency response range that captures clear and detailed audio. Whether you're recording vocals, streaming, podcasting, or gaming, the QuadCast delivers crisp and accurate sound reproduction. It offers 4 polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. This flexibility allows you to adapt the microphone to different recording situations. Number 1. FIFINE T669 USB Microphone Kit. This USB studio microphone kit offers a simple plug-and-play connection. You can easily connect it to your PC or laptop without needing extra hardware or drivers. It's perfect for recording vocals, podcasts, and Skype calls. The microphone delivers excellent sound quality with a wide frequency response. It's designed to capture crystal clear audio while minimizing background noise. This is ideal for home studio recordings. This podcast microphone bundle includes a sturdy boom arm for optimal adjustment. The double pop filter helps to reduce unwanted sounds, ensuring your recordings are clean and professional. The streaming microphone comes with an adjustable boom arm stand. It features a heavy-duty clamp and a detachable desktop mount. The design allows you to record without obstruction. The studio microphone kit includes all the necessary accessories. You'll receive a sturdy scissor arm stand, a shock mount, a pop filter, and a USB cable. The package also includes a user manual and technical support. What we like. This USB microphone kit offers a complete solution for recording vocals and podcasts. If you're looking for a simple plug-and-play setup, this is perfect. The included boom arm and pop filter ensure professional quality recordings. If you are a beginner or a content creator looking for an easy-to-use and high-quality recording setup, consider this one. What people say. My setup looks so professional now with this amazing quality mic. Easy to set up. Very good quality. Sound is awesome. Color is as expected. Easy to connect. Perfect size. Looks so nice. The mic securely mounted to my desk without any issues. The only issue with the mount clamp is that the metal bracket doesn't have padding, but you could just use a piece of cardboard or something. The quality sounds really good for being a budget microphone, and the cord is long and has both USB-A and USB-C options for connecting to your device. I've had this mic for 2 to 3 years now. I don't remember when I bought it, but it's been amazing. The quality is amazing when on call with someone or in games. It's really easy to set up and the cord length size is good. Also able to adjust the volume level if the mic through the nozzle itself, and it's very useful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.